The energy market has entered the phase of correction, although the bullish trend is still in place. The ruble ignored a slight fall in oil prices and made an attempt to advance against the US dollar. Now it may finally break through the 73 mark that has been a strong obstacle for a long time. Today, oil is trading moderately higher. Investors remain concerned about weak fuel demand. Economic activity in the EU stays subdued amid the coronavirus pandemic, while traffic in the UK has decreased by more than 40%. The data from the US Energy Department also signals a fall in demand. According to the official report, oil inventories in the US rose by 3 million barrels last week. In the morning session, Brent oil futures for March were trading below the level of the previous close. Oil bulls failed to keep the quote above $56 a barrel. WTI futures with the nearest expiration were also trading in negative territory. As a result, the price for the American crude ended up at $52.60 a barrel. This sentiment is unlikely to last long, as experts insist on a further rally in the energy market. Investors pin high hopes on the mass vaccination program. Positive news on this front supports traders' optimism. As was reported yesterday, the vaccine from Johnson & Johnson produced a strong immune response among trial participants. Today, Joe Biden will announce new measures aimed at supporting the U.S. economy. This may help improve risk appetite, and oil bulls will again take the lead. Oil is still largely dependent on the U.S. dollar. Lately, the American currency has been showing signs of recovery. If the greenback does not accelerate the pace of growth, oil will most probably stay at higher levels. Global market sentiment is mixed today. Investors are waiting for new drivers that will come from the announcements made by Joe Biden and Jerome Powell. Although crude prices retreated to the area of $55 a barrel, the ruble managed to stay in the green. What's more, it rose sharply against the US dollar. A drop in the oil market was offset by growing US indices and a moderate rise in emerging market currencies. The dollar-ruble pair is expected to hold in the range between 73 and 75, moving closer to the lower boundary of this channel. If the greenback starts depreciating against other majors, the Russian currency will be able to make another step towards the level of 73. The technical picture is favorable for oil, which is beneficial to the ruble as well. If the global background remains positive without any unexpected events, the Russian currency has a good chance of breaking below the 73 level against the dollar. If this scenario is confirmed, the US dollar may reach the level of 72 rubles by the end of January. You've watched daily financial news on Insta TV with me, Anna Kasatkina. Press likes and subscribe to our YouTube channel to keep track of all the latest events on financial markets. See you back soon. You've watched daily financial news on Insta TV with me, Anna Kasatkina. Press likes and subscribe to our YouTube channel to keep track of all the latest events on financial markets. See you back soon.